In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a hidden text formatting toolbar in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by the absence of the rich text toolbar when crafting an email, worry not. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to ensure you always have access to all of Gmail's formatting tools, making your emails not just informative, but visually appealing as well. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Hit enter and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, locate the Compose button, usually positioned on the top left-hand side below the Gmail logo. Click on this button to start a new email. You might notice the absence of tools to change the text style, color, or alignment immediately. This is where our main focus lies: to reveal that elusive toolbar to unlock Gmail's full potential in terms of email formatting. Direct your attention to the bottom section of this new message. Typically, the toolbar activating your rich text options might be minimized or hidden by default. To reveal the hidden text formatting toolbar, move your cursor to the bottom section of the email draft. You'll notice several small icons appear. They might include a paperclip for attachments, a picture icon for inserting images, and even a smiley face for inserting emojis. But what you're looking for is a small, less prominent icon resembling an underlined A. This icon represents formatting options. Clicking this underlined A will unfold a spectrum of text editing tools across the bottom of your draft. Here, you have a plethora of options at your disposal, from changing the font style and size, to altering the text color, and adjusting the alignment of your paragraphs. You can even highlight text for emphasis or make lists using bullet points or numbers. Now, with the toolbar visible, you can format your message to ensure that it not only conveys the right information, but also reflects your personal style or branding. Remember, a well-formatted email can often make the difference in how your message is perceived by the recipient. Once you make the desired adjustments, your email will stand out, whether you're conducting professional correspondence or just sending a friendly note to loved ones. If you ever need to hide the toolbar again for a cleaner interface while writing, simply click the underlined A icon once more to minimize it. And there you have it. You can now effortlessly reveal and conceal the text formatting toolbar in Gmail whenever you need. Practice these steps to get the hang of it so that the next time you sit down to write an email, you'll be ready to take full advantage of Gmail's rich text capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.